I'm Cody.
And I'm Ashlee.
Whether you're remodeling your entire home or just sprucing up a room with a fresh coat of paint,
we're going to show you how to do it right. Giving your front yard an awesome makeover and increasing your home's curb appeal is easier than you think.
Yeah, and we're going to show you how to do it right on a budget.
Your front yard is the first thing people see when they visit your home.
And whether you're trying to sell your house or you're just someone who takes pride in beautiful landscaping,
giving your front yard a makeover will create memorable impressions for your friends, neighbors, or potential home buyers.
The first step for awesome curb appeal is super easy. Just clean up your yard. Mow the grass. Use a weed whacker around all of the structures in the yard. Yank those pesky weeds out of the ground. Hide the garden hoses by mounting them on your house or storing them on a reel, like this one. Blow away all of the debris. And my favorite part, pressure wash everything. Blasting away years of crud and dirt equals instant gratification. And I'm really good at it.
Now we're going to give this house some personality by dressing up the windows with these decorative window shutters. We made them ourselves with treated lumber and stained them with timber oil to bring out the natural beauty of the wood. Now you don't have to build window shutters yourself like us. At Lowes.com, you can find the perfect shutters for your project in a wide variety of styles.
These porch columns have seen better days. We're going to spruce them up by wrapping them with some fresh lumber and add some dimension to them by capping the top and bottom. All I'm really doing is tacking it on with a nail gun. Nothing fancy, it's really easy to do. We stain this wood with the same timber oil we used to stain the shutters. And it looks great from the curb. Sup, neighbor?
While Cody finishes up the front porch, I'm going to paint the front door and install new hardware. It's the first thing people see when they walk into your home, so it needs to be inviting. You can paint your front door any color you'd like, but if you just can't decide on a color, Cody and I made this video all about how to choose the perfect paint color for any project. Click this link here or in the description below to check it out.
A brand new mailbox might not score you a ton of curb appeal points, but look at it this way. It's a good-looking, inexpensive upgrade that's easy to install.
Now we're going to add some color and contrast to the yard with annuals and mulch. Annuals are inexpensive and give the yard instant color. And even if you don't plant many plants, the mulch adds definition to the landscaping bed and makes it look complete. To figure out how much soil and mulch you will need for your garden and landscaping projects, check out this calculator on Lowes.com. We'll leave a link in the description so you can give it a try.
This yard is really starting to come together, and we don't want all our hard work to go to waste, so we're taking some steps to maintain our curb appeal. First, we're going to reseed any bare spots with this seed patch. It's grass seed, fertilizer, and mulch all in one, and it will grow just about anywhere. I'm going to loosen up the soil, spread out the seed, and water it in. We should have grass in no time.
And we want to grow grass, not weeds. So we're using this handheld broadcast spreader to hit every corner of the yard with weed and feed. This mixture is going to feed the grass to help it grow while killing off all the weeds. I love this stuff. All we need to finish up this curb appeal makeover is some patio furniture and a new welcome mat.
Now, the transformation is complete. And we didn't bust our budget to make it happen.
And all of these little changes really add up to some amazing curb appeal.
Remember, projects like this should be a fun, inspirational adventure. And now you know how to do it right.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button.
And let us know in the comments below your best and worst landscaping decisions.
And if you want to see more how-to videos with Ashlee and I, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to the Lowe's YouTube channel.
See you next time.